What it do, guys? Good morning. It is Tuesday the 22nd and we are here at Lalbagh Park amongst these beautiful trees. Came for a visit. Gowri, I'm sure, will give us a bit of history and give us a little bit of a tour at some point. But yeah, oh, this is Nikhil. You haven't met him yet.
Yo,
this
guys.
is Gowri's awesome boyfriend. Going to the park today. Just kind of having a chill day. Gowri has a climbing lesson later on. And it's also raining a little bit. We're just hanging out, gonna take it easy, and I'll take you guys around, give you a little B-roll of the park.
This is the crazy cannonball tree, but it has the petals all around. It's like a very pretty flower.
And these are seed pods.
Yeah, these are the crazy seed pods. I think this one is native to India, which is kind of like crazy. So Lalbagh is like kind of unique because the British, when they came to India, they were the ones who sort of set this up and officially, like, you know, made it a botanical garden. And so what you'll see here, it's almost like the British have gone to different places around the world and brought back seeds and plants and grown them here. So a lot of these trees are not just Indian trees. There are trees from Africa, there are trees from like various other places in Asia, and basically like all over the place. Whatever they could bring back and grow here, they've grown. So like the one that we walked past earlier was an African tulip. So yeah, we'll be seeing like a lot of the trees and everything that's actually very unique, not just like, you know, the native to India.
It's really interesting and cool because, I mean, in some ways, obviously it's basically just the park of all the places the British Empire has taken over, but it's also cool in the sense that everything can grow in this climate,
yeah,
which is really interesting.
Yeah,
and
it's almost like they created like a museum
it's like a terrarium.
trees.
Yeah,
so like it's like a place where they got
arboretum.
You know, the different types of trees from all over the world, and whatever grew here has grown, and so now it's like this place where you can come meet all these trees from all over the world. So basically, most figs are parasitic in nature. Their seed gets dropped by an animal on top of some tree that's growing, let's say, which is the host tree. And what happens is that seed then lets down these roots, and the roots end up like wrapping around the host tree, and eventually gets to the ground and takes away all the resources. And so it kills the host tree in the process over a few years, and then it becomes its own tree. Inside there is the ficus, and it's sending down roots.
Oh, I see it growing in the middle, yeah. Whoa, okay, so this is how it starts. That's so crazy.
Yeah. Look, it was planted by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth.
Oh, the pine was planted by the Queen?
Freaking British people.
Oh,
yeah,
snap.
I mean, look, that's what it is. What?
Alrighty, folks, we have arrived at what Gowri calls the mother tree. We honestly don't think you might not really understand how big this is on camera, but this thing is enormous.
I think they made it from the back and jump up.
Alright, folks. Recording on the phone, this GoPro's web, but we are having custard apples. It's this fruit that you peel off a little clump of this stuff, and you suck the juices off of the seeds, spit them out. Pretty awesome.
I think we were in the guest list.
Yeah, right, VIP. This is cool.
So this is like the idli that you had at home, this idli is made out of like semolina. We call it rava. So this is not just rice. That other idli was rice and dals, like lentils mixed together. This is made out of semolina. And of course, you eat it like every idli or sambar. You eat it with chutney, okay, and the sambar. So you take one bite, have it once with chutney. Take another bite, have it once with. And if you're a ghee person, then you pour the ghee on top of the idli.
Oh, I thought that was oil.
No, it's ghee, and then you eat it.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we know.
But Nikhil doesn't like ghee.
On to the next dish.
Okay, this is called bisi bele baat. It's called bisi bele baat. Bele means lentils or dal. So it's dal mixed with rice and a lot of different spices and also veggies, and made into this like kind of soupy like kind of consistency, but it's delicious. And this also you can add ghee, pour ghee on top, or you can just have it.
Ghee is clarified butter.
This is ghee, clarified butter, yeah. Or you have it with a little bit of raita and
Yogurt.
So with each
Yeah.
yogurt.
So now I have it on my plate. It's got the ghee mixed on it. It's got the yogurt. Let's give it a go. All right. Here we go. What? This is crazy mixed. This is so wild. The masala dosa.
Yep.
All right, which is basically the closest thing I can describe if you never had something like this is like an Indian crepe. I mean, it's
A pancake, thin pancake
crepe
with
pancake.
like. But also, what makes it a masala dosa is this. Okay, it has a potato
so I've never had it that way.
stuffing, and this is what a traditional masala dosa should have.
And then you basically
And then
break it
you-
off and you dip it in all the
Yeah, you
sauces.
break it off. You have some with this, some with sambar.
All right, potatoes, dosa, let's see. Well, I like that. It's like doughy, but crunchy and but not burnt at all. Definitely, it's definitely more like because pancakes you make crispy, so. But it definitely has that crepe energy on the side. It's crazy how you get one side so wow. Alrighty folks, so we have moved on in our day here at Yogastan, and I am having a super crazy hot chocolate. And then, what kind of coffee did you get?
Just a black coffee.
And then afterwards, we'll be heading to the climbing gym. So, and then what do we
still
have?
have to get you proper Indian coffee
Oh, that's
with the
right.
milk and everything.
Yeah.
It's, filter coffee. It's called.
There you go.
So the famous South Indian coffee is filter coffee.
First meal of the evening is some halim. What is
Yeah.
halim?
So essentially, how you make halim is they have barley, lentils, and the meat. All of that is put in like a big dum, in like a big vessel, and for hours together they keep stirring it, and they keep melting it. So they cook it so much that
All the meats break down essentially
so
into it.
it breaks down so much that everything gets fibrous and like it becomes this.
Whoa, yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah,
Dope. All right.
and spices in it, and these are the onions. the fried onions on it.
Oh, it's so gelatinous. Whoa. That is crazy. That is crazy. It's kind of fitting because today's Thanksgiving. Haven't really recorded today.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So happy Thanksgiving to everybody. But we're gonna have this, then we'll have a little bit of Chinese food later. Basically, I'm eating my way through Bangalore. But it's been awesome. So today, had a kind of another down day. Started working through some of how the rest of the trip is gonna pan out. Buying the tickets to head out into the Gowri's family's ancestral land, the museum, a mall, and now we're ending it with a bit of food here. So that's the plan. Gonna finish this. Have a few other little dishes coming. Although I didn't even have time to record it because I was just eating this beef up. It was so good. But this is the last dish, which is the
Oh, look
brain.
closely. They can see the.
Got a little bit of brain here. Gonna have that, and then yeah, man, this is so good. The halim, really, actually one of my favorite foods so far. I'm really curious to see how this goes. For those who are squeamish, you're just gonna have to bear with us. What it is, what it do, guys. So it's day 5 here in Bangalore. As you've probably seen, I've been doing like a lot of B-roll, but I haven't been doing so much vlogging because it's actually become a trip where just hanging with friends, hanging with Gowri's family, her boyfriend Nikhil and his friends, and it's been really wonderful. So I figured I'd catch you up and kind of give you guys what's been happening. Right now we are here in Bangalore still, and we are outside Cali OG, which is a fitness gym. Nikhil and some of his friends are working on some designs for some cool climbing stuff. So we're here while they work on those products and some or projects. The plan for today is getting ready, packing up our stuff. I'm gonna stop at a few different locations around Bangalore and then head out to Gowri's family's ancestral land, which is a farm towards, I believe, the west coast. So we're gonna be heading out there tonight on the bus, it's a sleeper bus. It's gonna be an 8-hour ride. But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to share, give you guys an update, because a lot of this kind of Bangalore vlog is going to be, you know, some historical stuff, some things we've seen around town, but also a lot of chilling and hanging with, you know, friends and their family. So looking forward to this evening, the sleeper bus, and then also heading out to the farm. So I'll see you guys and talk to you guys a little bit later today.
So this is made with like ground rice. It's like rice, and it has some saffron.
Boiled into this goop.
Yeah, cooked very slowly, and it's put to cold.
And
then-
oh, so is it cooked in the spot, or is it just?
No,
No, it just sets in the pot, so it's very.
Whoa!
It's like
It's like custard, but yeah, it's made out of rice.
Whoa! Wait. It's like rice pudding. That's what it's like. It's very similar to rice pudding.
But in
Has the
custard
vanilla,
consistency.
saffron. I do taste it.
almond.
Very good. I do taste the almond a lot.